On the 18th of October 2025, a sweeping wave of demonstrations coordinated under the banner of No Kings protests took place across all 50 US states, with more than 2,500 separate rallies expected, organizers say. The movement, uniting some 300 organizations, frames itself as a rejection of what participants view as creeping authoritarianism and a reminder that in America, there are no kings. The protests arrive amid escalating tensions over federal power, civil liberties, and the role of the executive branch. In cities large and small, marchers gathered to decry what they perceive as unchecked presidential influence, expanded troop deployments to domestic locales, and other signs of centralized control. Organizers emphasize that this is a nonviolent reclaiming of democratic norms: no thrones, no crowns, no kings. Political analysts note that the scale and coordination of these protests mark a significant moment, not merely a spontaneous outburst, but a nationwide movement with local roots. The timing, ahead of major elections and in a climate of heightened partisan division, suggests this could be a turning point in American civic activism. Critics, however, warn of potential polarization and the risk of confrontation if authorities respond aggressively. Deployment of resources by state governments and law enforcement agencies has been reported in anticipation of large crowds. While most rallies remain peaceful, organizers caution that the next phases of the movement could test the capacity of institutions to respond calmly and constitutionally. For observers of global democracy, the No Kings Day signals that the US itself is under scrutiny for how it safeguards its republican traditions at a time of internal strife.